Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix auto brightness on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. So, at first you need to unlock your phone. Here, now when we do have our phone, we have to go straight to the settings over here. Now, scroll down to the display brightness, and now here as you can see we do have auto brightness. Disable it, set it to the maximum value or the minimum value, and enable it. If you disable and enable it, this should refresh and work. As you can see, mine did. What about yours? If yours didn't work, you have to now take any microfiber cloth, for example like this one, and wipe the area of the camera over here. Apart from that, remember about the screen protectors. It's because when you do have the screen protector on your phone which is covering the camera, your auto brightness proximity sensor wouldn't work. I mean, not proximity sensor, but it's connected with the auto brightness and the light sensor actually. Now we can check if it does work. As you can see, mine does. If yours still doesn't, what I do recommend is to click the volume up and power button and hold this circle to the restart and restart your phone. This may take a while, something about 30 seconds, but this will fix our phone probably and refresh the sensors. For example, as I said, the light sensor. Now, when our phone is unlocked, we can, when for instance we can unlock it and check if it does work by covering the camera. Or just going back into the settings and checking manually if it would work. Mine does. If yours still doesn't, what I do recommend is to go straight to the system and update, tap software update, and update your phone if you do have any updates. As you can see, I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi, so let me quickly connect to the Wi-Fi and check if I do have any software updates. It's necessary to update your phone from time to time, just because of the patches. As you can see here, we can have the fixed patch. As you can see, now we don't because they had the version of the date, but sometimes OPPO does release these security patches or just bug fixes, and yet here we don't have any patches, but might have any patch and install it. And that's why I always recommend to stay on the latest version. That's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!